So I'm back at the venue again. This time I have Jeetu with me and Mr. Grumpy. Today we are meeting the decorator and finalizing the decor, the everything. So we're just figuring out where we want to do what rituals, and this is where the fere would happen, and we're just trying to understand where the stage could be placed. We really like the lawn space that you see outside, and we want to do like live food counter there in an L shaped. So probably keep the stage here, and that's the entrance. I really like those arch over there. So this is where the cocktail will happen. This banquet is really pretty. Love the lights. I'm obsessed with the lights. We're just trying to figure out where to place the bar. It could either be in one of those corners there, and this is a circular banquet. I don't know if you guys can see or tell. I'm just trying to get the whole view. So it's like a circular banquet, and we could just keep like a circular bar over here, like in the center, and you know, have standalone tables. But I feel like for cocktail, if the bar is in the corner, then you have more space to like dance around and perform. So we'll see.
And there you will have a DJ section.
Perfect.
And that will be your stage area where you will be doing your...
Yeah, this looks nice, like the glass top and with the floral arrangements.
Yeah, so it's like a proper wreath, na? The
Yeah.
center. And we'll give you some
Got it.
candles also.
Yeah. This is where the cocktail will happen. So I am at the Aveda Naika salon today. We are going to get a hair treatment and also discuss hairstyles. So I'm just about to get my hair treatment done. We just had a full discussion on what sort of hairstyle we want to create, like a mood board for all of the functions. And I also got like my hair tested and diagnosed, and my scalp tested. I have Nazish, which is such a beautiful name, with me here from the Aveda X Naika salon here in Delhi, and right now she's about to give me a treatment. What treatment is it?
Botanical Express one.
Okay.
So first we are doing shampoo, and then we'll apply number 3, that is activator. So it will give you bond in your all 3 layers, and this is especially for strengthening in your hair because you got color also. So yeah, and for dry hair also it will hydration because it has avocado, sunshine tea oil and green tea oil.
Oh,
So,
nice.
Yeah.
So this is kind of like a pre-wedding treatment. How many times do you think I should do this?
I think you can take in 15 days or 20 days. That's a good thing because you will use a lot of heat tools also.
Yeah.
So it will give help for my hair to build a strength in your layers, all layers.
Cool. So this is the first of my pre-bridal hair treatments, and I know that I'll keep traveling to Delhi. Oh my god, the chair has massage.
Comfortable?
Yes, it's really nice. I'm so excited. Let's do it. Really nice. Thank you. You did
you
such
so
a
much.
fab job.
Thank you so much.
You guys need to come see her if you're ever in Khan Market. Come to the Aveda salon and come get this done yourself. This is what we're doing while we're getting court married. Having kurkure and chips.
Because we're grown-ups. We're mature adults, that's why.
Hi! We are at Shapojat today. Came for some shadi shopping. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
What are you looking for?
Looking for designer sari, salwar. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see what we can find. This place looks amazing. It's my first time here. And the boutiques are so pretty. So much fun here. Love the jewelry. So pretty. Oh my god, so cute. They have babies. I'm obsessed. The stores are so nice. Look at this. It's like a never-ending gully, na? Yes. It feels like a bhul bhulaiya. So we are somewhere near Dada Jungi house. We are at Lajpat Market. Okay, we're back to my house. The last video I think you saw was me at Lajpat Market. And we had gone there to actually find some nice salwar suits and to just visit the market and see what's there, because I've heard a lot about it but I'd never been there. And that's when I actually got really sick. I could feel it in my throat from like a day prior, but I was like, you know what, it's okay, let's go shopping, I'll forget about it. But the same day I actually got really sick. So I was bedridden for like 4 to 5 days. I came back home and I'm still recovering. I still have a very bad case of cough. So yeah, we couldn't really do anything and I'm back here. So hopefully I'll go back to Delhi next month and do some more of my wedding planning and shopping and everything. I will also need to go back to Papa Don't Preach to see if everything is done according to my size. And I also wanted to go to some more places. So I'll keep you guys posted on how it goes. And I am so happy that you guys are loving this wedding planning series and I cannot wait to show you more. Until then, bye.